Fidelity is coming into crypto. This is massive and it's much bigger than people think. So recently we got some news that Fidelity has filed trademark applications for an NFT marketplace and crypto trading services. This is what we need for mass adoption, folks. We need the Fidelities, the Charles Schwabs of the world to come into crypto, make it safe, and have all of their networks and clients be interested in getting into crypto, making it a small percentage of their portfolio. Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. We're going to break this down. I'm going to talk about this a little bit in this video, talk about why I think it's massive. It's not getting enough play right now in the crypto news environment. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, do so right now. Also, hit the like button down there. We love to have you right here, keeping up to date on all the news and information all around the crypto market. So check this out, guys. Just in 9.6 trillion asset manager Fidelity files trademark applications for an NFT marketplace and crypto trading service. Again, they manage 9.6 trillion in assets. Fidelity, one of the largest out there. These are the big players that we're talking about. Fidelity, Charles Schwab. These are the big players that when they come into crypto, this will fast track adoption. As you can see, this was my response back. This is way bigger than people think. Adoption is getting fast tracked. The big players are coming. I think one of the silver linings here that we've had come out of 2022. I think we'll definitely look back on this year as, yes, it was brutal in the short term, but man, it gave way to so many great things and fast track adoption. I think because of what we've seen with FTX, because of what we've seen with Celsius, Terra Luna, Voyager, the list goes on. This is making it very, very apparent that we need regulatory clarity and we need the Fidelities and the Charles Schwabs of the world, corporations, companies that people trust in this space. This is the big shift, I think, from, a bunch of kids playing in this interesting world in crypto to, oh my gosh, this is becoming a legitimate marketplace, a legitimate asset class. The shift is happening right now, and I think it's getting fast-tracked because of all of the fallout that we've seen and the contagions that we've seen here in 2022 with crypto. So short-term, it sucks. Long-term, this helps us get to where we all want to go a little bit quicker as, again, $9.6 trillion asset manager Fidelity filing trademark applications for an NFT marketplace and crypto trading service. Who will be next? How big is this? Drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe right here to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Ton of stuff happening here with CCX. Hopefully, you're checking out all the links down below in the description. Stay up to speed. This is a DeFi project that is not backing down. They are building right now in the bear market. Wait until you see what they have in store. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you.